Secured my ears. Let's do a quick little haul. Is the best. Hey guys, it's Isabelle Yoo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, we are officially in Paris. This is my very first time coming to Paris and we're staying at the Marriott Vacation Club right next to Disneyland and I cannot believe that I'm here. Like, this is actually crazy. Our first day was yesterday, but we just shopped. Literally, this is all of our damage from yesterday. Actually, it's not that much. It's not that much. But today's gonna be such a fun and exciting video. I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me on everything that I eat in 24 hours in Disneyland Paris. But guys, I literally finished work at 2 a.m. last night and I got up at 7, so I'm running on 5 hours of sleep, but you know, we're gonna push through and I don't know how I have this much energy. I think it's just because I'm really excited. I love going to Disneylands in different countries. The only ones we have left are China and Hong Kong, so we will get to those in the future, but let's get this day started. But before I get into an entire house tour, let's do a quick little haul of the jacket that I got yesterday from Montclair. We literally shop till we drop as soon as we touch base in Paris. I picked up so many cute things yesterday. I feel like Paris just has the best fashion, but this is the little puffer jacket that I got. The sleeves is more like fleece lined, so it keeps you really warm. Here is the little logo right here. It doesn't have any pockets, but it's high neck on the collar. But yeah, this is what the jacket looks like. So warm and cozy. It's pretty basic and I just love black clothing items, if you guys couldn't tell. But here's a little fit and then we're gonna come back to the hotel and then change for when it gets a little bit warmer. I think I'm gonna change it to shorts and then go for a part 2. Let's do a quick little hotel tour because this place is actually massive. We were not expecting to walk in to a whole entire house, but this is what you see when you walk in through the door. There's like this suspicious window closet over here, and then on this side is a full kitchen, microwave, stove. What is that? Oh, that's an oven. I almost said dishwasher. The dishwasher is over here, a sink, and then washer, dryer. This hotel has literally everything, but this is what the bathroom looks like. Obviously a sink and a toilet, and then over here is where we literally laid out all of our shopping stuff in suitcases, so don't mind that. This is our living room, really cute couch. I just honestly was not expecting such a big place for 2 people, but I'm not complaining. And then here is our bar. We have our waters, our little snacks, and then some red and white wine. Come on camera, focus. There we go. Okay, now let's go upstairs to the bedroom. This staircase is so windy, so we have to be really careful. Here is another bathroom. This is the one that I've been using. It has a shower here, a sink, mirror, and then here is the bedroom that I've been staying at. It's like these 2 beds like combined together. I just slept in this one and it has places to put your suitcases, a TV. I think this is a closet, which I didn't use because I barely unpacked, and then a little full-length body mirror here. Now let's go to my mom's bedroom, which is in here. My mom slept really good last night, as you guys can tell, but it has these really cute nightstands. This little corner is honestly one of my favorites. This chair is so comfy, and then if you look out her window, you can literally see a little walkway and then the ping pong table and the basketball court. It's honestly so beautiful outside. I didn't expect Paris to be so naturey, but I love it. And then here is her bathroom. There we go. Oh, very, very, very yellow. But this is what her bathroom looks like. Double sinks, mirrors everywhere, a bathtub and a shower, and then obviously the toilet in that room. These are what our little houses look like. There's ours, the blue one. So cute. We're literally one of the first people here at 9 a.m. You guys, it looks so stunning. I'm so happy. Can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. It's fall, y'all. Honestly, Halloween isn't my favorite holiday, but the decorations here are so cute. Like, everything is orange. This reminds me of my high school colors. It's so crazy here because everyone can just smoke, just like out in the open. Okay, we're gonna go into this market house. Oh, there's a lot of people in here. There's sandwich Mickey with vegetables and cheese, or a pain pretzel. What's a pain? I don't want pain. Salad, vegan salad, a croquette. This was just one of the first indoor places that we saw to get warm. There's a bunch of meats just hanging from the ceiling. There's a little pig over there. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. They have little pastries with like the evil witch and then the queen up here. We got the chocolate-filled Mickey Mouse beignet and a croissant, an Americano coffee, and this orange juice. Yum! Let's try this chocolate beignet. Cheers! I didn't get any chocolate in the first bite. Still no chocolate. Maybe it's in the body. Okay, we found the chocolate. It tastes better with the chocolate. I would rank it like a 7.4 out of 10. The bake shop is so cute. Look at all these Golden Gate cheesecake, cupcake, muffin, carrot cake. Let's walk underneath the castle in Paris. I cannot believe we're actually here. I don't know if it's just because it's in the morning, but there's barely any people here yet. Walking underneath the castle. Here are all the rides. Oh my gosh, I definitely want to get a pair of ears. I think our first ride is gonna be It's a Small World. It's iconic. They have these little stands that look like cottages. They're so cute. They have macarons over here. Oh my gosh, what are those called? Oh wait, what are they? Oh, waffles. Wait, everything's in French, I can't read. Oh my gosh, those look so yummy. And there's pretzels over here. Hello! Mom, but if we ride this, you can't cry. Princess Jasmine and the Queen. They all have a bottle cap that's attached so that you never lose your cap. I think it's so smart. You love this ride? I feel like this is one of my childhood rides that we would go on every single time we come to Disney. Okay, showgirls. There's also like barely anyone on our car. I love it. This store is calling my name. Wait, what is that? Are these like earmuffs? No way. They have little earmuffs of the Mickey hands and the Minnie ears. Wait, oh my gosh. I think this is, I forgot, Chess. I don't know the exact name. From Alice in Wonderland. Wait, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this little mini container for cotton candy. These hands are so big. These mini ears. I feel like these are just the classic ones. I want to find something cool. This is all the Disneyland Paris collection. Look at this little Sherpa. These Stitch ears. These ears are actually adorable. Yeah, that crew neck is so cute. I can't believe they already have Christmas stuff out. This is actually adorable. Winnie the Pooh is my favorite. Every single time I would go to Disney, I would get something Winnie the Pooh. They have so many. I think these are the ones that you pin onto your clothes. A pink Stitch. What the heck? These pink stitches that are like laying down are so cute. There's a blue one and a Winnie the Pooh. Dumbo. They literally have all of them. These little teacups are so cute. Oh my gosh. And those ones for Belle. These little dog beds for my favorite pet. This little Disney pet unit clothes. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Shut up. I think I found it. I think I found the ears that I'm gonna get. I really like this crew neck. It's so cute. And it says Disneyland Paris. You like the blue one more? There's a white shirt. You like the navy blue? It's cute. Oh my gosh, look at these Crocs. Christmas theme. Secured my ears and it says Paris on the side. I'm so happy. This is the store right in front of Disney. They have so many options. You guys, this pink one is so cute with the little bear holding the strawberry. And then over here is Star Wars. Oh my god, this baby Yoda. So cute. Groot. We came back to Disneyland. We went back to our hotel to freshen up a little bit. But we're finally back and let's go eat something because I'm hungry. Look at that. That face is so scary, and the Pirates of Caribbean ship. This is actually insane. We finally found food. Hakuna Matata. Let's go. This beef wrap. Wait, that looks good. Oh, pulled beef sandwich menu with sweet potato fries. That looks really good. And then over here are desserts. Double Mickey cake, Mickey desserts, yogurt with fruit. We were looking for food so bad, so we just came into this restaurant. Hopefully it's good. The sweet potatoes were mid. Wait, this is surprisingly really good. It has like beef, mustard, lettuce in it.
Who chose it?
I chose it.
Liar.
I was honestly pleasantly surprised about the beef wrap. I didn't expect it to taste that good. I'm glad that everything here is like both in French and in English, and finger pointing is the best thing. My mom just spilled Fanta all over my leg. We made it to Discoveryland. Oh my god, that looks so intense. My mom told me that I have to document this and I asked her why and she said because there's French on the sign. We came to this ride. It's called Utopia or Autopia and you can ride on these little cars. Get in, losers, we're going shopping. Driving! Wait, I went. Oh, ah! I love our red car. I'm not driving safe. 2 hands on the wheel. Ah! This is so interesting. I have to use my left foot for the gas. There's so much traffic on the other edge. This is like LA traffic. It's jammed. Wait, this is actually so funny. Look at the stoplights. We made it to the Captain Jack's restaurant. Here is the cocktail menu, and then here is the food menu. There's like starters, main courses, desserts, and then Pirate's Treasure menu with all of these. And then another menu. Oh, this is the kids menu down here. Apparently people wait months for a reservation, but we got one. My appetizers here, I got this chicken salad. Hopefully it tastes good. And I'm glad that we're able to like sit down and actually rest our feet. Cheers. The napkins are so cute. They have like the castle on them. This restaurant is Caribbean, so it has a lot of like different flavors. Very flavorful. The main just came out. I got the baked mahi-mahi fillet with some vegetables and then the Caribbean rice on the side. Yum! Cheers! Let's try this fish. This cream sauce is really good. Wait, what the heck? That's really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I would rank this like a 9.2 out of 10.
That's really high.
I think the flavoring of the sauce is just like really different than anything that I've had before. If you're ever coming to Disneyland Paris, I recommend going either on the Disneyland app and then you can make a reservation to any restaurant, or you just walk in as soon as you get here and put your name down on whatever time slot that they have and they'll seat you so you don't have to wait months to eat here. Here is the pineapple shortbread dessert. That looks actually insane, and the ice cream and chocolate on top. My mouth is watering. 3, 2, 1. This is literally the most perfect bite with a little fudge.
No? Yeah?
Oh my god, wow. Thanks for the light. I look better now. The other options were like pudding or something like that, but this shortbread with pineapple and whipped cream and chocolate, this is literally to die for.
Okay.
I would rate this like a 9.6 out of 10. This ride is so cute. I think it's one of my favorites in Disney, especially for the pictures. We just finished eating dinner and now we're on the teacup ride. Are you gonna spin it? Don't spin it anymore if it's too hard. Don't get too dizzy because we just ate. Ooh, please don't fall asleep. Thank you. Yay. Everything is literally in French right now, so I have no idea what they're saying, but
qu'il est interdit de fumer et de prendre.
that ride was so fun, but look at these little baby Yodas. This baby Yoda hat. Stuffies are so cute, but I don't need any more. Our last ride of the day, and then we're gonna go eat more before the parade. I don't know if it's just because my head is so big, but wearing these mini ears always gives me a headache for some reason, and I don't know if it's just me. Of course, I gravitate to the stand with all the champagne. Before the parade starts, I got this Mickey chocolate chip cookie and this glass of champagne. It says Disney Paris on the cup with a little castle. I don't know if you guys can see, it's so dark. There's so many people around us to wait for the parade, but let's try this Mickey cookie. Oh my god, this is so good. you.